256.
256?
John Kenneth. Hello.
Stupid touch.
You're in the documentary. What's up? For what? No, after the exam.
After the exam?
Sendera sa ano sa YouTube.
Ed.
Nandoon mo to last time do.
Gawin na to. Wala. Welcome to the documentary.
Okay. Bye. Hey, do you want to gamble? Are you gonna gamble?
Why not? Let's see what you got.
Okay. Let's hope. Okay. These. Oh. Okay, wait. Another one. Is security gonna be? Do you wanna try? Okay. Look, it's waiting for you to grab it.
Ooh!
Let's get one. Gambling. Turn on. Wait. Let's go to come. What? Let's go to come. Yeah.
Alright. Israel, say hi to the documentary.
Hello!
Bida-bida.
Ay! Talakon mo?
Ano? Wara. Kenneth.
Sakit! Pwede lang mo kayo
I have a girlfriend. You didn't know.
Lato naman ra.
No.
Lato
My
naman ra.
parents didn't know.
Ah, okay. Okay lang ra.
I have one wife.
Oh my god.
Daniel, sa ala na. Oh, wala.
I got it.
Oh, wait, give it to us and just excuse me.
Nakakaulala. Try sa iba.
Everyone, this is Kenneth.
Agay, umuyak ito.
This is our main boy. This is the main character.
Agay, what the fuck is that?
Siya ang character. Sorry.
Let's go now.
Wait for the rest.
Wait, boo.
Nakabidyo mo. Asa na ito ka naingin? Hindi na natin eh.
Dalam.
Dalam. Kita, libot-libot lagi. Kaya lang ako nakagtunuan niya. Wala, sinipid ko dyan. Video.
Ano?
Ay, dato niya ko nanochoran eh. Dato niya ko nanochoran eh.
Ano?
Chora ni Med.
Ed.
Ito adit na tuyo.
Kita niyo. PFP mo ra sa ML. PFP mo mo. Ed. Tana.
Gagawin din.
Tana mo.
Gagawin ka.
Ha? Numan?
Umudya problema. Matamat na dira. May ko.
Amnesia.
Hindi sa Misha, kundi sa ano kid.
Sa ano?
Matamat dito na dira.
Check out. Ay.
Ang balita mo. Teka tayo.
Say hi to the documentary, Vivong. What's up? Say hi, Neil. Say hi, Pet.
Who's willing to walk?
Where?
3M.
To what?
3M. The pizza place.
Right now?
Yeah.
Where? 3M.
Sure, right now.
3M. Three Musketeers. In the plaza.
You're mad. Oh my god. Oh,
I'm down.
Hold up. Cannot predict.
Gusto mo panaw, boy, or hindi? Gusto mo panaw?
Okay.
Sa Three Musketeers, sa plaza. Panaw man yun, boy. Sabi mo, panaw?
Kinalat ko pa ang clutch ko.
Okay.
Let's ride a tricycle.
No, but remember the analogy.
Mga kampa. May what? Kaya punta na
You want to walk 2 km?
What?
You want to walk 2 km right now?
What?
2 kilometers.
I guess.
Vic, do you want to walk 2 km? Do you want to walk 2 km right now?
Oh wait.
What?
They said, I didn't hear.
Do you want to walk 2 km?
Depends. It's to Alberto. It's to Alberto.
2 km.
Huh?
GM pizza.
Guys.
Panaw ka? Why not?
So good.
Wait, we should get the meal.
So, nakag-stop sa ano na
Saan tayo lang? Kaya pa.
may ano ko karon, may video ko karon pa
While you're filming.
It's for the documentary, cut.
You're not even filming it straight.
So what? It's part of the aesthetic. Right, Tibong? Kalantas. It's Kalantas? Kalantas, what's up? Okay. Sige lang.
Try lang sa iba, susunod lang. Mag-sport fest.
Lawid para mga...
Next month na.
Lawid ra. Nasdan na naman.
Bago lang tapos naka-exam, ako palagi ko ka.
May term exam pa, Kenneth, ha?
Ha?
Term exam.
Ano exam ba na first start?
Oh, guys, gone.
Oh my God.
Oh, Israel, have you seen Daniel Daniel Becerra?
No, he went out to get food.
Shit.
Hold my bag. Wait, I've done my food.
Zoom in.
Say hi to the you said hi, never mind. Everyone said hi.
I want to bring my like holder. I have like a strip for that.
Not too bad.
Gusto ni Erica matry one last.
Mag-feel yan.
And mga ano pa
Time check.
Dapat yan ay ginagat ko lang yung testing mo.
Let's go.
Pero tapos ko ano.
Chelsea? What's it?
Dad, magtarapat ka. Namalagotaan! Kasara ko ginamba kaya.
Let's go.
Batian mo ya guys. Gusto ko ni Kenneth. Gusto na dapat si Chelsea.
Wow. Ano yan? Let's go now. Oh my god. Let's go. So are we ordering like the pizzas? What? How many pizzas? Like 11 inch. How many of us oh, it's buying food. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is Gumong coming?
We can finish like me and Nook can like finish two. I go like one.
It's like 290 for pizza.
Ano, depends on my hungry, boy. Ayaw.
I'm not really hungry. That's fine. Also limit how much Arville eats.
Hey, Arville. Oh, limit yourself to like 4 slices. Good luck.
Where are we going?
3M.
Walking.
Yes, welcome to KFC. Walking simulator.
You have an umbrella?
No. It's okay, it's okay. It's only one time.
Only one time kasi can.
You saw him?
So what?
Saw that guy?
Yes,
He looks like a typical Discord modder.
I guess, bro.
The build? Stereotypical.
Say that to his face.
I will.
Oh my god.
Also, we're fucking old now. I get called Nong.
Wow.
Oh, Nong Carl. Nong
First skill ang kunin nyo. Ito nga, bata.
Stop the tricycle.
Too late.
How long it will take? How long it will take?
Like
30 minutes.
not 20 minutes.
That's like a one match.
Yes. I'm just gonna cut this part. Goodbye. The what?
Holy shit, there's an extra store. Ruben. I'll go buy food.
So ano nga to?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, you need to get. Which one? What flavor?
Pepperoni, of course. 11 inch.
11? It's only 9.
It's only 9.
Only 9. Where are these wheels over here? Fuck. I'm too broke for that.
Yeah. Get a liter. A picture.
Picture?
Just one singular iced tea.
No.
Oh, this is for me.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Stingy ass.
Sorry boy, I don't have any cash right now. We can just show the pizza. Alright. I thought we were gonna share pants.
Uy, sorry.
I have 1,000 here, boy. I guess. Do you guys need ice cream? Are you buying your own shit? Huh?
I'm gonna order mine. ML na.
Victory! Healing prayers for you. Healing for everyone. Healing prayers for you. Victory!
Guys, hello, Grandma. Every day is a savings day. Guys, hello, Grandma. Panitulong barato all the way. Mga clothes o grocery items, magsalo-salo sa